Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Splunk Universal Forwarder on Linux. The forwarder is a lightweight version of Splunk Enterprise that collects and sends log data to your Splunk indexer. First, make sure you have root or sudo access on your Linux system. You'll also want to confirm that your system has enough disk space and the correct permissions for installation. Next, download the Splunk Universal Forwarder package for Linux from the official Splunk website. Choose the package type that matches your distribution: RPM for Red Hat and COS, DEB for Debian and Ubuntu, or a tar file for manual installation. If you're using the RPM package, place a file on your server and run the command rpm-i followed by the package name. For Debian systems, run dpkg-i followed by the package name. If you prefer using the tar file, extract it with the command tar xvzf followed by the file name, and specify the installation directory such as /opt/Splunk forwarder. After the files are installed, start the Splunk forwarder for the first time by navigating to its bin directory and running splunk start. You'll be prompted to accept the license agreement and create an administrator username and password. To make sure the forwarder starts automatically when the server reboots, run splunk enable boot start. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Splunk Universal Forwarder on Linux. From here, you can configure inputs to collect logs and outputs to forward them to your Splunk indexer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.